what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily print multiple invoices on QuickBooks. So all you have to do is head over to QuickBooks and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just hover your mouse on Sales, then click on Invoices. So from here, as you can see, we have sample invoices. And to print this all together, all you have to do is check this box just beside date. Then next is just click on batch actions, then click on print. We will be redirected here, and next is just click on this print icon. And just by that, you can print all the invoices all at once. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!